How much does YouTube pay in India? Complete Guide 2025. Welcome to our complete guide on YouTube earnings in India. If you've ever wondered how much does YouTube pay in India, then stick around. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to know about YouTube revenue in India, how the payment structure works, factors that affect earnings, and a list of India's top 10 highest paid YouTubers in 2025. Let's dive in. How much does YouTube pay in India? YouTube earnings can vary greatly in India. On average, Indian creators earn between 50 rupee to 200 rupee per 1000 views, but earnings depend on a few key factors like content type, audience location, and CPM rates, which is how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1000 views. Let's go over the main ways YouTubers in India earn money. 1. Ad revenue. You earn a portion of ad revenue from ads shown on your videos. 2. Channel memberships. Fans can pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks. 3. Super chats and super stickers during live streams. 4. YouTube Premium. Revenue from YouTube Premium members who watch your content. 5. Merchandise sales, selling branded items right on your channel. 6. Sponsorships and brand deals. Companies pay for product placements or mentions. 7. Affiliate marketing. You make commissions on sales via links in your video descriptions. Top 10 highest paid YouTubers in India, 2025. Now that you know how YouTubers make money, let's look at the top 10 highest paid YouTubers in India for 2025. 1. Ajay Nagar, Carry Minati, monthly income, 16 lakh rupees plus, known for his roast and gaming content. Carry Minati is one of India's most influential creators. 2. Amit Bhadana, monthly income, 30 lakh rupees plus. Amit's comedy and relatable storytelling have earned him a massive fan base. 3. Bhuvan Bam, monthly income, 25 lakh rupees plus. Bhuvan Bam, of BBQ Wines fame, excels in storytelling and humor, making him a favorite among young audiences. 4. Ashish Chanchlani, monthly income, 30 lakh rupees plus. Ashish comedic skits and relatable content continue to draw millions of views per video. 5. Gaurav Chaudhary, Technical Guruji, monthly income, 1 crore rupees plus. Gaurav's tech reviews and unboxings have made him the go-to channel for tech enthusiasts. 6. Harsh Beniwal, monthly income, 15 lakh rupees plus. Harsh's comedy videos have gained him millions of loyal fans, making him a significant name in Indian entertainment. 7. Emiway Bandai, monthly income, 35 lakh rupees. This rapper and hip-hop artist has made a name in Indian music with his unique style and independent approach. 8. Ajju Bhai, Total Gaming, monthly income, 8 lakh rupees. As one of India's top gaming creators, Ajju Bhai entertains fans with gaming videos and live streams. 9. Round to Hell, Najeem Ahmed, Zain Saifi, Wasim Ahmed, monthly income, 10 lakh rupees to 1.4 crore rupees. This team of creators is known for their comedy skits and unique storytelling. 10. Sandeep Maheshwari, monthly income, 30 lakh rupees plus. Motivational speaker Sandeep Maheshwari inspires millions with his talks on life and success. These creators not only earn from YouTube ads but also from brand deals, merchandise, and other platforms, adding to their monthly income significantly. Factors affecting YouTube earnings in India. Your YouTube income depends on several factors. Let's break them down. 1. CPM, cost per mil. Higher CPM means higher earnings. 2. Audience location. Viewers from countries like the US have higher CPM rates. 3. Niche, finance, tech, and business tend to earn more than entertainment. 4. Engagement, more likes, shares, and comments mean more visibility and earnings. 5. Ad formats. The type of ad, skippable, non-skippable, affects your income. How YouTube's payment structure works in India. YouTube doesn't pay creators directly for views. To earn money, creators must join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last year. Once eligible, you'll earn through ads, memberships, super chats, and more. Sample earnings based on views to give you an idea: 1,000 views, 50 rupees to 200 rupees, 10,000 views, 500 rupees to 2,000 rupees, 1 million views, 50,000 rupees to lakh. Earnings will vary based on audience engagement, location, and ad types. Tips to increase YouTube earnings in India. Here are some tips to increase your YouTube earnings. 1. Optimize for engagement and watch time. The longer people watch, the better. 2. Diversify revenue. Use memberships, super chats, and affiliate marketing to maximize income. 3. Use YouTube SEO. Good keywords help your videos rank higher. 4. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other YouTubers can expand your reach. How YouTube payments are processed in India. To get paid by YouTube, 1. Link Google AdSense to your YouTube account. To meet the payment threshold in India, this is 8,000 rupees. 3. Select your payment method. Most Indian creators choose electronic fund transfers. 4. Track your earnings in AdSense. In summary, YouTube offers a fantastic earning potential for Indian creators. By focusing on high CPM content, building an engaged audience, and exploring all revenue streams, you can maximize your YouTube income. Thanks for watching. For more tips on making money online, subscribe and click the bell icon for updates.